Hi, today in this video you will learn how to use text composable function and how we can style our text. So let's get started. First we create our project. Here I'm selecting empty activity and here I'm using latest version of Android Studio. Now click on next. Name of your project. So in Jetpack Compose, you can use the text composable to display the text in your UI. Let's create composable function and here we use @composable annotation to the function name. Now create function and name it. So here we use text composable. So here text composable is used to display text in your UI and it allow you to style and format text as needed. So here we create a parameter and here we pass our text. So if you want to change the color of the text, you have to use color parameter of text composable and here you have to pass color values or you can set the color like this color dot red. Now if you want to change the size of your text then use font size parameter of text composable and here you can pass your text size. Now you want to style your text, then you can use font style parameter of text composable and here you can use your style. Here I'm selecting italic. If you want to bold your text, then use font weight and here we use bold. Now if you want to set the padding, width and height, then here we use modifier. Now you want to set the width and height. To set the width and height of the text in Jetpack Compose, assign a modifier parameter of the text with modifier companion objects where width and height is called on with the modifier and pass the required values. If you want to make your text selectable, then here we use selection container and inside this selection container we copy our code and here a surface container using the background color from the theme. And now we call our function. So here the surface container using the background color from the theme. Now run the project. So here you can see the text. Here we change the padding. Now run the project. So here you can see it is a selectable text.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.